My name is H. Badiadra from 7th C. Today I am going to say a few lines on prayer. Prayer is a wish or a communication with God. Prayer is an avenue through which we involve God in every detail of our life. Prayer is a rising of one's mind and heart to God or the requesting good things from God. Thank you everyone.
Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. In simplicity, charity I follow. In simplicity, charity I follow. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom.
Friends, get ready for school anthem. Position yourself. Keep your right hand on your left chest.
Will be the light of the world, dispelling darkness around, like a star in the sky, guiding everyone in love, reforming our minds, reforming our hearts, imparting knowledge and wisdom. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, our true and of love in nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, which stands for your name. Fill us, Lord, with joy and graces, turn us into your angels, be with us in all your strivings, guiding everyone in love. Together we pray, together we learn, to be the light of knowledge and wisdom. Hail, O hail, Saint Mary's School, our true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, O hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, which stands for your name.
Stretch out your right hand and get ready for pledge.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am proud of
and I am proud of
its rich and varied heritage.
its rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders,
and treat everyone with courtesy.
and treat everyone with courtesy.
I pledge my devotion
I pledge my devotion
to my country and its people.
to my country and its people.
My happiness lies
My happiness lies
in their well-being and prosperity.
in their well-being and prosperity.
Now I request my friend for the thought of the day.
Everybody, my name is Dave Rudra from Standard 7C Group F. Thought of the day is life is like a question and how do we live it is our answer. Explanation. See your life as a question and live your journey of life such that it becomes the best answer for that question. Goodbye and have a nice Friday.
Thank you very much and have a fantastic day.